and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
You need to pay attention to this. Trust me, this could change your life. I'd like to offer you your own full product, complete with all the upgrades, ready to go and bank big money. I want to give you a main product, an OTO 1 upgrade, an OTO 2, OTO 3, OTO 4, even an OTO 5. And you won't have to do any work. I'll do it all for you. And I'll let you keep all the money. Sound okay? I'll build the sales page, write the sales copy, write and record the sales video for you. I'll build the members area, provide the products and have them automatically connected so when you sell, the buyer gets access. I'll even take care of all of the support. And you still keep everything you make. All you need to do is send people to the sales page. And when they buy, you get paid. If they buy the main product, you get all the money. If they buy any or all of the upgrades, you keep all of it. Do you see how insanely good this is? And this is why I recommend this to all my students. How can this be possible? Well, you simply add this upgrade to your order and you're sorted. You'll get a commission bump. In other words, it'll be like this very product is your product because you'll get 100% commissions on the entire funnel, just like you're the owner. Trust me when I tell you this is a no-brainer. When you get 100% commissions on the whole funnel, your mind will get creative and you'll be coming up with no end of ideas to get people to click your special link. But I have to tell you, I can only sell a limited number of these. So click on the add to cart button now to see if we still have availability. If we do not hesitate, add it. If we don't, I'm really sorry, maybe next time. Oh, and one last thing. You might think this upsell is expensive, but think about it. If just one person bought the main product and then this very upsell through you, you'd have got all your money back and would already be in profit, which is why this is a very, very clever investment. Fortunately, not many really understand that, but I think you do. So I'm looking forward to bumping you to 100% across the whole funnel. So go ahead before the next person who lands on this page steals it from you. Click on Add to Cart now, and welcome to the 100% Club.